Good afternoon, everybody. So, Donald from Winston. So what I wanted to do today is, a lot of people know about our pressure fryers, the PF5646 that we do for KFC around the world. And what we realize is some of the markets don't know about our open fryer. And some markets do, some markets don't. So we want to really just make this an introductionally educational video. Here I got a PF fryer, traditional PF fryer you use around the world with the lid, the gaskets. You got the hinge block on the back. Pretty simple. We have a lot of videos on this, but right next to it we have what's called our open fryer. So this is a 6-head open fryer, our OF model, which is KFC approved around the world. It's on the price list. So I want to kind of illustrate. So yes, the PF fryer can easily become an open fryer with no conversion kits. There you go. Leave the lid open. It becomes very flexible. You can have six PF fryers and use them open one day, pressure the next. Not a problem. Some markets, like our partners down in Thailand and Malaysia, Singapore, they actually buy our open fryers. Significantly cheaper, but you still get all the value and reliability of Winston. Same basic dog shell, heavily built, reliable, same pot, but you notice there's no hinge block in the back. So there's no lid possibility, and the vent hole has been completely plugged and welded. This open fryer is great for doing your hot and spicy, your crispy, your strips, some of your nuggets, anything, and even some of the non-chicken products. So it's the same fryer per se, same electronics, same pot, same hook platform, but it's an open fryer to save you a significant amount of money. Also to showcase, this one's got our Winston controller on it. We can do the open fryers with Winston, or we can do it with the Fastron computers, just like the PF. So you can do either one. So just really illustrating the difference of it, and letting you know it is an approved product. And so then we're going to take you around the back and show you the difference between the backs of the fryers. So now we're at the back of the two fryers. So again, this is right out of our lab, a little bit dirty. It gets used a lot. So this is the pressure fryer. You got the banjo, you get the dead weight, you got the solenoid system and things like that. But on the open fryer, what's so simplistic about it, there's nothing back here. There's no dead weight, there's no solenoid, there's no banjo, nothing to clean back here, just a little bit of vent for cooling air for the components inside. The simplicity of the open fryer, great crispy chicken, high production, high volume, and saves you a lot of money. We believe it's going to save you money against your other open fryer platform for 6-head, 4-head on the crispy chicken. So when you're thinking of Winston, don't forget about the open fryer.